Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Octavin Bando. I am a student from the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science Samratulangi University of Manado. At this time, I will bring material about mathematical logic. I made this video as a final assignment exam for an introductory computer course. Math logic. Statement. What is a statement? A statement is a sentence that only has true or false truth but not both at the same time. Consider the example. 2 is prime number. This is a statement. Its value is true. Semarang is the capital of Indonesia. This is a statement, even though the value is wrong. Please say hello. This is not a statement. Open sentence. Consider the example. A is a prime number. B is the capital of Indonesia. X plus 3 is more than 5. 2y less 8 is 100. That open sentence is a sentence whose truth value is uncertain. That is, it still contains variable. Coordinate A can B, can X, can Y. Negation or circle. Pay attention. This ornamental fish breathes with gills. The Daniel is not true. His ornamental fish is breathing with gills. This ornamental fish does not breathe with gills. Then this ornamental fish breathes not with gills. Pay attention. If P is true, then negation P is false. If P is false, then negation P is true. The fourth material, compound statement. What are compound statements? Compound statements are statements that have more than one statement in one sentence. That is, the conjunction needed are and, or, if then, if and only if. We start from the first conjunction, or the conjunction is and. This is an example. Belby eats rice and drinks coffee. Then there are how many sentences? Belby eats rice and Belby drinks coffee. Belby eats rice, but she didn't drink coffee. Belby doesn't eat rice, but she drinks coffee. Belby doesn't eat rice and Belby doesn't drink coffee. The top one is true. Then the sentence underneath 2, 3, and 4 are incorrect sentences. The second connecting word, namely disjunction, or the conjunction is or. Consider the example. Echa eat rice or drink coffee. For use or, one can be selected. Echa eats rice and Echa drink coffee. Echa eats rice but doesn't drink coffee. Echa don't eat rice but Echa drink coffee. Echa doesn't eat rice and Echa doesn't drink coffee. The truth table is the third conjunction is the implication, or the conjunction is if. Pay attention. If it's raining today, then Ayu takes an umbrella. Today it's raining and Ayu is carrying an umbrella. Today it's raining but Ayu doesn't bring umbrella. Today it's not raining but Ayu is carrying an umbrella. Today it isn't raining and Ayu doesn't bring an umbrella. The truth table is the full conjuncture. The be implication or the conjunction is if and only if. Example: Agri gets value if and only if Agri learns. The truth table is this is the negation of compound sentence. The formulation if and then change to or be and. Negation from if P then key becomes P and negation key. Then this is the negation of the implication. Next, the implication have conversion or inversion, then inversion or denial, and contraposition or back then denial. Pay attention. From the implication, if P then key, then the conversion is if key then P. Then to inverse, then be denied. If negation P, then negation key. Then in the reverse, counter then denied. If negation P, then negation P. The next material is drawing conclusion. In drawing conclusion, what we will discuss first is ponens mode. If P then key, P then the conclusion is key. Example: first statement, if Agri learn, it will pass the test. The second statement, Agri learn. If P then key, this P, then in conclusion, Agri pass the test. Then the second one is tolerance mode. If P then key, negation key, then the conclusion is negation P. Example: statement 1, if Agri learn, it will pass the test. Second statement, Agri did not pass the exam. Then the conclusion is Agri not learn. Then the third is syllogism. If P then key, if key then R. Then the conclusion is if P then R. In syllogism, there is a transition word that connects statement 1 with statement 2. Consider the example. Statement 1, if Agri study, it will pass the test. Statement 2, if Agri pass the test, she will get a prize. Here, say the transition is to pass the test. So, the conclusion is that if P, then R. If Agri learn, then she will get a prize. Thus, my explanation of the material mathematical logic. My impression during the introductory computer practice, I will happy because my knowledge has increased. Besides, the teaching assistant is also very good. Although sometimes I ask a lot because I don't understand enough and make the teacher assistant try to explain. However, they remain patient. I also feel sad because the current situation makes us have to do distancing training. I, my friends, and even teaching assistants have to feel a lot of obstacles. My friends and I all often feel nervous while waiting for the practicum. Sometimes, even when we are ready to put us, it turns out the practice was not done because the teaching assistant forgot. My message to teaching assistant: with this practicum, the relationship between teaching assistant and us is getting closer and more established. In this video, I also thank all teaching assistants, especially Miss Elika, Miss Adelia, and Miss Junianti, who shared their knowledge with us.